What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jerdo back in here with a new video, and today I'm going to show you all my wave progress. I haven't showed y'all my waves since I began my journey, which was 15 weeks ago. Tomorrow will be 16 weeks. I've already had 2 haircuts, and I still never showed any progress updates because I was planning on saving it all till I fully had my pattern in and everything and do a whole montage of it all being over, but that might still come out later. But without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all my progress I've made in these 15 weeks. Now, I've been lazy, but I still get my good brush sessions in. I don't mirror brush. I know I should. I might get a mirror tomorrow, but it's not really needed because I know my angles well. So my weak side is my right side, and I have a double crown. But I'm just talking, I'm rambling. Let's get straight into it. It's not the best it could be right now. I just did a washing style method last night, and I didn't brush again. I didn't take my rag out. That's my first time on ragging since I washed my hair. So actually, I'm going to do a little quick session in, brushing in my products. My 3WP brush. It don't got 3WP no more because this brush has been putting in a lot of work for me. As you see, all the paint with all the shit rubbed off. I might get a new one, but this one's still doing the job, so I don't see why. 360 style pomade. Don't need too much because I'm woofing right now. You don't need a lot. What I like to do is I get about that much. And my wife makes this essential oil. I think she uses like coconut oil and a bunch of other oils. It's really good for moisturizing the hair. Put a little dab of that on there. And then I mix it in together. And lightly. Bagged it all down. So later I'm gonna take it off and show you all what it looks like. I'll put that clip after this clip, but thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Any tips you all have for me, I'll be happy to take them. Shout out to Wavy Leon. 4-6-6-8 method, and that's basically when you get a haircut after your first 4 weeks after you cut your hair, or if you're starting your wave journey, then you wait an additional 6 weeks after that. So then that'll be the 10-week point. You get a haircut at that 6 weeks, you wait another 6 weeks, get a haircut after that point, and then you wait 8 weeks. And then you get a haircut after that. He said after that, you should have your full pattern. I'm just testing that theory out, but so far it's looking like it might work. More videos coming soon. I actually went to ComplexCon last weekend, and I have a bunch of clips and a bunch of things that I want to talk about, and I'm going to make a video about that fairly soon, probably after this video comes out. But without further ado, it's been your boy Jerdo, and we out. And the clips that of my hair after this process is going to be after this, so